Hi everyone, Letty here, Party Planner Papery. I have another Happy Planner planning mystery bag. This one's Life Start Here. I'm going to unbox what came in this planner bag. Welcome back everyone. So I just shared a different video from unboxing from Happy Planner where I had picked up one of those mystery bundles for $35. It was the one that was still available, the Buzzy Garden one, but I wanted to share the second one that I picked up because Happy Planner had two of them. Unfortunately, this one is sold out, but I still want to share it with you just in case there are any individual items that you like. You can maybe find them, or in the event that Happy Planner does this again in the future, you'll already get a great idea of what comes in those packages or mystery bundles. And so the super fun thing about this is that you kind of get a good little kickstart on a ton of different items at a pretty affordable price. These were $35, $34.99. Again, this one is no longer available, unfortunately, but there is one called the Buzzy Garden one that is available. And so I will have an affiliate link down in the description box below in case you're interested. I think if you purchase for the very first time or you sign up, I think they send you a coupon when you use my link. So anyway, but I'll have that down below. So let's dive into this one. So I think this one's called Life Start Here or Life Starts Here, something like that. And it is a planning mystery bundle. It comes in this fantastic, fabulous canvas bag. You probably can hear it in my voice. I am smiling from ear to ear looking at this bag because the colors are gorgeous. Take me to the bookstore, absolutely. And so I love this little minty color on the handles. And then we have the super fun design on the bag itself. I think the colors are just super whimsical and gorgeous. And so here was the actual bag tag and the SKU. I don't know how much these retailed for, but I would venture to say it's definitely more than $10. And this whole kit was $35. But I found this was, my understanding is this one does have some budget related items. And so I'm very interested to see what comes in this kit. So again, you do get your super gorgeous canvas note bag, and the back side is blank. It's just this really pretty royal blue, super, super pretty cerulean or something like that. It reminds me of the cerulean or blue color that's in the box of crayons, super pretty. Now, here's what it looks like when you get one of these packs. They're fully packaged up inside of a plastic bag. And if you saw my previous unboxing, you'll know that there's just a very wide variety mix of items in here. You can see there's some discs on a notebook or something, lots and lots of stickers. So this is going to be a ton of fun. Let me open up this bag real quick, get everything out, and then we'll go piece by piece to share what came in this kit, this bundle. Okay, so the very first thing I see here is this big sort of planner here. I just wanted to share with you how it was packaged so you would see that it was taken a lot of care, a package with a lot of care, lots of bubble wrap and foam and stuff. Let me just take it out real quick. I just wanted to share that with you so you would know what to expect. Let me take it out though. Okay, so here is what we get. Again, this one, just like that other one that came in the other kit, this one has sort of like a plexi kind of vinyl. It's not laminated like the regular one. It's almost like what you would see on a regular thick, big notebook. Now this one does say that it is a big monthly layout and it's plans and notes, and you get 4 months of undated items. Here's what it looks like it comes with. So it's very similar to the one that I got from the Buzzy Garden book or bundle. You're going to get your sticker sheets. You're going to get some 4 monthly calendar pages. So you only get 4 in this one. You're going to get a yearly overview, and then you're going to go ahead and get your dividers and some paper as well. So, and I kind of like this color palette a little bit more than that other one. What's weird is you only get 4 months on this one. But sometimes 4 months is kind of all you want to handle in one, and you want to change it up anyway. So plans are dreams in the making. So you've got your first tab here, or your first front cover, and it is decorated on the back. You've got your sticker sheets. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, you've got your sticker sheets here, and it looks like they do give you all of the different months, all in the same color coordination, but you get your months multiple times. You get your days you could put in. Super pretty, super fun. This is very practical. And I love this because even though they only give you 4 months, they still gave you the entire year's worth of stickers. So you could use it in this one or some other planner. So that's fantastic because Happy Planner does a ton of undated ones. So you've got a loose paper sheet here, and then you go into your calendar monthlies. Notice on this one, they did not put the months though. So that's kind of interesting, but I guess you could start at any month, which I guess kind of coordinates with an undated. So you've got enough months here to do all 12 months, and you basically get numbers 1 through 31 on each one. So that's perfect. And then you go into your priorities, and then you're going to go into, and like your sort of, you know, brain dump page. And then you go into your actual month, and it is completely undated. So that's where you would use those stickers. And then you basically go into the next one and the next one and the next one. Okay. So that is all the same. And it looks like you do have, which I feel like they gave us more than just 4, because I feel like I'm seeing way more than 4 here. So I don't think it's 4 months. I think they gave you the whole 12 there. And then you've got your dividers, and these are gorgeous colors, and these are definitely versatile. They don't have anything on them. You could pull them out, put them in another planner, and just keep reusing them. So you got 4 of those. I think that's what you get the 4 of. And then there's a ton of paper, and it does say in the corner, make every moment count. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. So, and it is like a dotted line. And so you get a ton of that, you can see there. And then you've got like a backer, and then you go back into your like plexi kind of plasticky back cover. So, and the discs themselves are a pink color, but they do not have the signature like heart right here. So I wonder if this is maybe an older planner that they upgraded the packaging maybe, but they did not change any of the hardwares or anything. So that might be that. But this is a big monthly planner. Again, it says 4 months. I feel like we got way more than 4 months in here, but either way, I think this is a fantastic deal here. So that's your sort of planner or notes, kind of plans and notes little book. Now, the next thing we got was this classic recipe organizer. And by the way, this is in the big size. So this is a big, and so if you're curious about the difference, this is a big, this is a classic. So classic is 2 discs less than the big, but you can see there, it's much, much bigger. Like the other one is much, much bigger. So you can kind of see here the difference. Okay, so just in case you were curious, you know, the difference between the two. So classic is my favorite, but the big is fantastic, especially if you're gonna do like memory keeping. So this one is a classic recipe organizer, and I feel, and it does have the hearts on this one, I do feel, and it's got like these glitter, clear glitter discs. I feel like I just picked one of these up. And this is actually one that I wanted to start working on, and I had not jumped into yet. I wanted to really focus on kind of putting down some recipes in 2026. And so here's what it looks like. I'm not even going to bother opening because I feel like I've already shared this on my channel before. So I might use this. I might give this as a gift. I think this would be a fantastic gift, especially considering they also gave us the filler. And I think this might be something that I also picked up on clearance at Hobby Lobby. And so this is what it looks like. It's the shopping list filler paper. You get a bazillion of them. It looks like you get 100 of them. So you can map out exactly what you need as far as for your grocery shopping, which I absolutely love, sort of mapping all of that out. So that, again, this would make a fantastic gift, or, you know, you could give it to someone else, or if you're, or use it if you don't already have one, which I do have one. So might be a gift for me. Now, the other thing that came in this one was this budget companion accessories kit. I have already purchased this. In fact, I think I have 2 of them. In fact, this is actually the one that I'm using this year from part of my budget binder. I did not share this on my channel, but I absolutely love this kit. So it's really perfect if you want to sort of start kind of just mapping out all your stuff with your budget. I did completely use all of this kit, and I put it into my, it was like just a Happy Planner notebook spiral, and then, or like a notebook with discs. And then I added a ton of extra like printables that I had on my Ko-fi shop. I added those in, and a couple of additional things. So I think this is just a fantastic, fantastic bundle. You see here, you get like a little bracelet here on the front, and it does have the little Happy Planner classic, like little heart, like the traditional like little heart logo, like the discs. It comes with a dry erase board. It comes with plastic envelopes, and they're super cute. A folder, you're going to get some note sheets. And then this is what I absolutely loved, was these 10 budget planning sheets. You get, there's like no spend calendars, there's like goal setting, there's budget sheets, there's all kinds of different things sort of wrapped up, like a lot of different goals, and like how to prep for like long-term, short-term, it's really, really fantastic. Like I said, this is actually the exact one that I'm using this year for my budgeting stuff. And then a storage folder, which is this one right here that you see. And then 49 stickers. So it does come with a few sticker sheets. And then also, of course, that cute little bracelet that you saw at the front. So this is a fantastic find. They do have this on clearance right now at the Happy Planner. I want to say it's like around $6, maybe $7. If I can find it, and if it's still available, I'll show it right here, and that way you can kind of see it. But they did have this. If this is all you want, you could absolutely pick that up as well. So that was that. Then we've got some filler paper, and these are sort of like a half or like a skinny classic size. It looks like it's the classic. Yeah, it looks like it's classic. It says today, love the bright yellow, and you've got tomorrow here. So today, 1, 2, 3, and then tomorrow you can put the date here. And then it looks like you're actually going to get 3 different ones. So you've got this one, and then you've also got the pink one, which I love that. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is Socialite is the name of this specific collection. This is actually one I do not have, and I love these little half sheets like this. This is sort of like the classic skinny size. It's like half of a classic planner. See there? It's like half of it. And so I absolutely love that. I keep these in my stash because I love to just grab for them, write some stuff down, pull it off, move it within my planner. So that's fantastic. Now, we also do have some replacement discs or some expander discs. So basically, if I go through and I want to make this planner a little chunkier, I can go from like a medium-sized disc to like an extra large disc or a large disc. The same thing could happen on my classic. If I want to shift it from a small, to like from the medium to a large, I can do that. And so this one does come with 11 discs, which is perfect because that'll cover your full planner. And it's got this really fun sort of like, different color. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if it's going to pick it up. Oh, maybe I can do it this way. Like different color, almost like tie-dye. It's just a really fun, like camouflage kind of, but like with bright colors. So it has the heart like normal, the classic Happy Planner signature image. So you do get 11, and these are huge, which is fantastic. Now, look at all of these stickers and accessories that you're also going to get with this kit or with this bundle. So we do have this one right here, which I don't think I have this one. This one's called a household. You get 419 sheets, and you're going to be getting stickers, sticky notes, and cardstock, which are little inserts that you can stick into your planner. Here's just a quick little sneak peek of what comes in this one. So I love like the bright colors, and you can kind of pop in little extra notes. And then of course you've got your little sticky notes. And then of course you've got several sheets of stickers, it looks like. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 sheets is what oh yeah, it says right here, just kidding. 20, oh no, this one's 20 sticky notes, but it looks like you're getting 20 sticker sheets, like little mini sticker sheets. So that's fantastic. Okay, 419 of those. This is one thing that I definitely do not have. I've never seen anything like this. This is an accessory book. And so it's stickers. It says it's 895 sheets, but you've got your like sticky notes on this side. And then let me take that off. So you've got your sticky notes on this side, and then you've got your sticker sheets on this side. And these do have some foiling, very minimal, like purples and like muted tones. Love this. If you're a purple lover, this is perfect. Look at this. Your potential is endless. Absolutely love that. So that is what this is. And I definitely don't have anything like this in my stash right now from the Happy Planner, where it has like the stickies and like the stickers in one book, but that's this one. And I don't know if there's a theme, but it looks kind of maybe celestial, and then again with the purple tones. So that's that one. And we still have 3 large sticker books, and these usually retail like $19.99 to $29.99 depending. This one's save now, spend later. I do have this one. This is one of my favorites. So 1,170 stickers. Just a quick little look at all those dollar signs. You could use that for payday. You could use that anytime you do a deposit. If you have like an Etsy shop, and you know how you can get a payment like each day or whatever, if that's what you want, or each week. If you sell on eBay and you get a payment each day, like you could put that and put it like this weekly spending. I love all the colors. So you could definitely use this for all of your budget and shopping and saving. Absolutely love this. And I love that it has some foiling on it. Super fun. So again, this one is one that I do already have in my stash, but I love it and will not mind having a second. This one it just says it's all the things, and it's classic. So it's $13.83. And again, classic is my favorite. This one has foil. Lots and lots of foil. Look at the little faces, your mood, I guess. And you've got some little home things, birthday icons, food icons, lots and lots of fun stuff. I know I have some stickers that are similar to this, some of the same collections, but I don't think I have this actual big like book. I think the ones that I have were the smaller ones. So I am not sad about that. Look at that, the little drinks. Cute, super, super cute. So all the things is this one. And then the last sticker book is this one, and it's Empowering Women or Woman. And it's, it looks like it's 635 stickers, and you get quite a bit. This one actually reminds me of the old school, like the older style. And I mean, it still says the, oh yeah, see, this is their old logo where it says the Happy Planner. The newer logo just says Happy Planner. So this definitely does give me kind of some vintage vibes from like the older styles and stuff of things, but that's perfectly fine. Super cute, super gorgeous. I kind of miss these that have a ton of quotes and stuff in them. I kind of love that. So this is super fun. This is Empowering Woman. I think that's going to be fantastic for my planner lineup as well. So again, that is what came in this set. Life Start Here, I think is what it's called. You've got budget stuff, you've got recipe stuff, you've got a plain planner that you can fill in, you've got a ton of different stickers, expander discs. There's definitely more color in this set than in the other set. The other set was more florals. And then of course this gorgeous canvas notebook. If you're a book lover, this is going to be a must-have. It's super, super cute. So this is what came in. This was $35 for all of these items. This one, unfortunately, is not available, but there are definitely some items, individual items that likely are still available because I know I've purchased them with that same clearance sale. So I'll have my Happy Planner link, affiliate link down below in case you are interested. But at the very least, I wanted to at least share with you what came in this. So that way, if they have these bundles in the future, you'll get an idea of what caliber of materials come, if they're older stuff, or if it's newer stuff, or like sort of an eclectic mix, kind of what we're seeing here. So thank you so much for joining. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far to the end, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. As always, happy crafting. Thanks so much for visiting, everyone. Drop me a heart emoji down in the comments to let me know if you made it this far in the video. Happy crafting.